Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Harris 2020 250 Solstice. As you can see, this model has very beautiful mocha pearl fencing with the black anodized rail package. Makes for a really, really sleek, great looking boat. In the back here we have the safety bar package, making it legal for you to ride on that wonderful Sunpad on the back. This boat comes equipped with a 300 horsepower Mercury Verado with a 3-blade stainless steel prop. Here you have a Harris exclusive 4-step ladder, making boarding on and off the boat very, very easy, very ergonomic. Very wide handles, make it for really easy boarding. This particular model has a full JL audio system, 2 JL audios rear facing on the lounger here, so you can have audio all around the boat, as well as a in-water audio receiver. And another one up on the lounger. Really neat thing about this model is that this Sunpad retracts back to where you have a really nice headrest and a lot of leg room, to folding completely down into a huge Sunpad for all of those people that love tanning and hanging out in the sun. Plenty of cup holders all around. You have 5 cup holders out here on the Sunpad. Moving into the cabin of the boat, you can see you have plenty of seating all around right here at the Sunpad whenever it is aft facing. You have plenty of JL audio speakers right back here, 2 forward facing and then 1 up here on the seat. This has a really, really nice audio system. You can hear audio from all around the boat. Here you have a food prep area for any kind of cocktails or meals you have out on the water, with a self-draining compartment inside. Plenty of storage underneath. Moving to the captain's chair here. We have a high back with an adjustable bolster here in the bottom. Make docking easy and seeing over the bow a lot easier. Now in 2020, the Solstice model came with this new Helm style, which comes with an included phone charger built in. Speakers mounted below. You got a digital throttle up here with a stainless steel plate control panel. Control all of your lighting, anchor lights and everything. You have a Simrad G09 chart plotter, making for a really easy view of navigation. And you also have analog gauges on either side of your Simrad to give you a lot clearer view of your engine management. You have the JL Audio Platinum head unit. Really, really nice big screen. Makes for adjusting settings a whole lot easier. Puts out a lot of power, packs a punch. On the Solstice model in 2020, they made a new redesigned helm so that it makes maintenance and access to all your electronics a whole lot easier, as well as adding some storage. bow area, we have a really nice ski locker. Very long to fit all your skis and your wakeboards or any kind of other long cover poles or anything of that nature. On the Solstice models, you can see here we have cross-stitched centers on the seats. Makes for a really rich look. And this actually has the textured fabric on it. It makes it a really nice ergonomic feel with flip-down armrests, stainless steel cup holders. A really long bench seat here that folds down into storage. It's all self-bailing. You see here you have an aluminum bracket to ensure that it's not going to flip open on you. Very front of the bow seats have more storage that is self-bailing as well. Plenty of cup holders all around here in the bow area, as well as 2 more speakers. So as you can tell, this boat is definitely outfitted for a party, for a lot of people to be on board. All right, guys, if you'd be interested in seeing more of this boat, my name is Connor Marr at MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thank you.